Hey guys, this is Admin here at Rankbook.com, and this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use Rankbook.com's Twit Friend Suite Pro Gold version 3.1. If you haven't already, you're most likely probably using 1.5 or 2 or 2.5. Go ahead and upgrade to the latest. This has some new features as well as uses the new Twitter API. So, first things first is when you go ahead and download, go ahead and punch in your registration key that you get from us, and you should be prompted with a screen like this. Now, what we've gone ahead and done is gone away with the multi-management account. We sort of kept it on a one-to-one basis. You could still log into any Twitter account. You still got to go through sort of the normal process you get when you got to authorize your account to use our application. So, I'm going to go ahead and first click this, step 1. So I'm going to click it. It should pull up a browser window here. And it's going to go ahead and say, hey, we want to go ahead and use this. You say yes. I'm going to punch in my user account here. I'll go ahead and authorize it, and it's going to give you this number here. So go ahead and copy that number and put it in this little box that comes up here. And once it's authorized, it'll come up and the actual app will come up. If not, it'll give you a quick message. So first things first is you sort of got this pause between follows, and what you want to do is you probably don't want to set this at 1. You definitely want to set it maybe say to 5. So if you're going to follow 10 people that you selected from a list, you're going to wait 5 seconds in between each. You do not want to do a whole bunch really quick. And then, of course, how many do you want to follow? If you select everybody in the list, you probably don't want to follow all 1,500 or whatever you pull back. You probably just want to follow a few. So what you can do here is put in a keyword. What is your keyword that you want to get followers for? So for me, I'm just going to type in paintball, type in search. And now it's going to go out and search. Now what you want to do is you don't want to click any more buttons until you see here it says, hey, done searching. Sometimes it'll go ahead and just take a few seconds, to fully go ahead and search and do everything like that. So perfect, it's all the way done. You can see there's a ton of people on this list. What you can do here is just simply click them all or just go through and click a few. Click 4. And I'm going to go ahead and hit follow selected users. So it's going to go ahead and start the process. And perfect, it's going to go ahead and start following these users with a pause in between each of them that we've sort of specified based upon our niche. So you can see this is a super easy way to get really targeted people that you want to follow that meet your niche. So you can have a lot of different Twitter accounts that you manage. Each of them might have a different, different niche depending on what it is you guys are trying to do. So perfect, we followed those few people that we have. Let's move on to the next one here. So we can list users' followers. So we get the request quite often, well, I don't want to search, I just want to look at somebody's account and go look at their followers. So I'm going to take one of these people over here and go see if we can get all their followers. So I typed in an account here. I probably spelled it wrong. Let me type in, let's see if I can spell it right. Okay, let's see if we can get this person. There we go. So this person's not following a lot of people. So what we can do here is just take a look at these few people. And we can just maybe highlight a few of these. Say, fine, I'm going to go ahead and add these people as well to my actual list. So very easy to follow an actual account or search and get people, sort of dependent on your type that you're looking for. Next is we can look at my followers. Now, if you keep in mind, you read that really carefully. It says list my followers which I don't follow. So this way you can sort of sub right back to the people you follow so they don't remove you from your list. So you can go ahead and click on a few of these. I'm just going to click on one. Go ahead and follow these users. So real easy. Or you can go ahead and message this follower, and I'm not going to do it, but you can put a message like, hey, thanks for the ad. And go ahead and send a message to that actual follower, which I'll probably go ahead and do. So perfect. Very easy. Not a lot of, cryptic stuff here. Very straightforward. And of course, the last one is my friends. You can go ahead and list the people that you follow. Now, from here, what you can do is unfollow, because sometimes, right, you have a lot of people that you just don't really care about, and you just want to unfollow. So simply, you would just click on one of these users, and of course, click on follow, and it's going to go ahead and unfollow the account. Now, you can see a lot of stuff here, to our new 3.1. We have a whole tweet system we're going to be adding in 3.2. We have a few more things we're going to be touching up in 3.2, but we went with a whole new interface here. So if you haven't already, Visit us on Rankbook.com. And if you have any questions, email us at support@rankbook.com. Thanks.